So we've made it to the Bike Stop Cafe, which is the first stop on our Katy Trail trip. That's right, we're going all the way from Clinton, Missouri, back to St. Charles, Katy Trail the entire way. Super exciting. I'm joined with Tessa today, my wife, and a couple other friends, Jen and Rod. We'll meet them later. All right, so with us, I got Jen and Rod. Welcome to the trip. A quick question. If somebody was new to cycling, what advice would you give them?
Find a new hobby.
Let's do it! Woo! You know what makes the best camp? Hammock. Morning. It's day 2.
Oh, good morning.
Day 2! Woo! Woo! Oh, yeah. That bluffage is real nice. Tessa, what are the secrets of you getting so ripped?
Just a lot of wind in my jacket, mainly. Oh, and protein bars every day.
Hey! Welcome to Boonville. Music. It's late. It's a bit of a pilgrimage. This is the oldest bur oak tree in Missouri. It's beautiful. Last night was a delight. We made it to the capital. So, longest 1 mile to get back up to West Main Pizza. Time for some lunch, and then we're gonna head over to break time to get some snacks, and then it's down the hill back to a hostel. All right, we made it. Katy Trail Shelter.
The Turner Shelter is provided solely for the use of those biking the Katy Trail. That would be
That's us, dude.
all others will be considered trespassing.
That's not us, dude. Oh man. Well.
P.S. The key to the front door hangs on the utility pole next to the building.
If you ever need to find it, right there
Right
on the
there. This
room.
is like the O-Face race, right?
See you later, Katy Trail Shelter. The Turners, you guys are awesome. We're heading to Herman. We made it. Big as hell. All right, see you later, Herman. It's been real. off to Where are we going?
Marthasville.
Marthasville for
We're going to the,
camping at the Caboose.
it's like KT Caboose.
The KT Caboose. Hopefully they have spots. Otherwise, we'll just bike to St. Charles tonight.
Oh man.
KT Caboose! We made it! So the KT Caboose is a must-do when you're in Marthasville. Not only do they have fresh food, we're talking like apple wraps, pear wraps, falafel something or others. They have ice cream, and I'm super psyched about it. And not only that, you can get food, you can get some drinks, but even better, you can camp right here, literally on the Katy Trail. And if you don't like that, they have camping around back. And the best part? It's actually a caboose. Get it? KT Caboose. Good morning. It was a lovely night at the Katy Caboose. Cheers. All right, last day. Welcome to Augusta.
Get low. Low point.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, we made it to Machens, and the only way to celebrate is to ring that bell and to take a shot. Shots.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh god.
Finish.
It burns. All right. Burns. Last and least.
You gotta finish it. We left a lot for you. Circle of friendship, guys.
Circle of friendship.
I'll circle of friendship.
We're doing.
Nice job.
Great job, guys.
Jump it.